Access to electricity enhances learning and access to health facilities in rural and underserved communities. Therefore, through the Enhancing Sierra Leone Energy Access Project, Jasbel Energy is on a mission to install sustainable and reliable solar infrastructure that generates uninterrupted electricity in schools and health facilities across the country.
The name of this project is called Enhancing Sierra Leone Energy Access. Ministry of Energy is the owner of this project, and UNOPS being the major implementer. We took an installation contract for 404 sites in 15 districts of Sierra Leone, 205 schools and 199 health facilities.
The work of Jasbel Energy has enhanced the efficiency of school administrations and the learning capacity of pupils and scholars.
We are benefiting a lot. Now we are using the classrooms at night to engage our kids in study. And it has also helped us with the security. Because during that night, the place is very bright and you find out that the thieves will go off.
Students can now use solar-powered bulbs to study at night with readily available learning materials.
It is helping us greatly, especially now. Look now, we are on exams, and I'm just in printing after the kids have returned. I'm now printing my papers, preparing for tomorrow with ease, without any stress of lights going off or buying fuel.
Access to modern health facilities that rely on the availability of sustainable electricity is crucial for human capital development and well-being.
Because for now we are not straining to do delivery at night.
With electricity at night for safe deliveries and cold storage for essential vaccines, both maternal and infant mortality are on the decline, thereby increasing the life expectancies of women and children in rural communities.
Previously, we are not able to work at night. We are not able to carry out at night, except in the far some cases. But as of now, we have been able to do that because of the light system. This happened deeply, and then due to the construction of our laboratory, you find out in future we can be able to use this solar system to availability.
In order to enhance sustainability, Jasbel Energy has been providing technical support and training to beneficiaries. This will enhance the lasting impact of the solar infrastructure and continue to enhance access to electricity across the country.